News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Nishit Kumar giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we'll be discussing about vacancies in All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Jodhpur, IRCON International Limited, Army Public School, Talbehat Cantonment, Union Public Service Commission, National Institute of Technology, Durgapur, and National Health Systems Resource Centre, New Delhi. All India Institute of Medical Science, Jodhpur, an autonomous institute of national importance, is one of the new AIIMS and APEX Healthcare Institute established by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, under the Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana, with the aim of correcting regional imbalance in quality tertiary level healthcare in the country and attaining self-sufficiency in graduate and postgraduate medical education and training. Online applications are invited from Indian nationals and overseas citizens of India card holders for the following faculty posts on direct recruitment or deputation basis in various departments of All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Jodhpur, Rajasthan. 1 post of Professor Anesthesiology and Critical Care, 1 post of Professor Biochemistry, 1 post of Professor Burns and Plastic Surgery, 1 post of Professor Cardiology, 1 post of Professor Cardiothoracic Surgery, 1 post of Professor Dermatology, 2 posts of Professor Diagnostic and Interventional Radiology, 1 post of Professor ENT, 1 post of Professor Endocrinology and Metabolism, 1 post of Professor Gastroenterology, 2 posts of Professor General Medicine, 1 post of Professor General Surgery, 1 post of Professor Hospital Administration, 2 posts of Professor Medical Oncology or Hematology, 1 post of Professor Microbiology, 1 post of Professor Nephrology, 1 post of Professor Neurology, 1 post of Professor Orthopedics, 1 post of Professor Pathology, 1 post of Professor Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation, 1 post of Professor Physiology, 1 post of Professor Psychiatry, 1 post of Professor Pulmonary Medicine, 1 post of Professor Radiotherapy, 1 post of Professor Surgical Gastroenterology, 1 post of Professor Surgical Oncology, 1 post of Professor Transfusion Medicine and Blood Bank, 1 post of Professor Trauma and Emergency, 1 post of Additional Professor Cardiology, 1 post of Additional Professor Diagnostic and Interventional Radiology, 1 post of Additional Professor Hospital Administration, 1 post of Additional Professor Microbiology, 1 post of Additional Professor Neonatology, 1 post of Additional Professor Nuclear Medicine, 1 post of Additional Professor Obstetrics and Gynecology, 1 post of Additional Professor Pathology, 1 post of Additional Professor Pediatrics, 1 post of Additional Professor Pediatric Surgery, 1 post of Additional Professor Pharmacology, 1 post of Additional Professor Physiology, 1 post of Additional Professor Pulmonary Medicine, 1 post of Additional Professor Surgical Gastroenterology, 1 post of Associate Professor Anesthesiology and Critical Care, 2 posts of Associate Professor Burns and Plastic Surgery, 1 post of Associate Professor Diagnostic and Interventional Radiology, 1 post of Associate Professor Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, 1 post of Associate Professor Gastroenterology, 1 post of Associate Professor General Medicine, 2 posts of Associate Professor Medical Oncology or Hematology, 1 post of Associate Professor Neonatology, 1 post of Associate Professor Neurology, 1 post of Associate Professor Nuclear Medicine, 1 post of Associate Professor Orthopedics, 1 post of Associate Professor Pathology, 1 post of Associate Professor Physiology, 2 posts of Associate Professor Surgical Gastroenterology, 3 posts of Associate Professor Surgical Oncology, 2 posts of Associate Professor Urology, 1 post of Assistant Professor Biochemistry, 2 posts of Assistant Professor Diagnostic and Interventional Radiology, 1 post of Assistant Professor ENT, 2 posts of Assistant Professor Medical Oncology or Hematology, 1 post of Assistant Professor Microbiology, 1 post of Assistant Professor Neurosurgery, 1 post of Assistant Professor Nuclear Medicine, 1 post of Assistant Professor Pulmonary Medicine, 1 post of Assistant Professor Surgical Oncology, 3 posts of Assistant Professor Trauma and Emergency, and 1 post of Assistant Professor Urology. Last date for submission of online applications is 5 p.m. of the 13th day from the date of publication of this advertisement in the Employment News or Rozgar Samachar. For detailed advertisement, online application form and other relevant information, please visit the Institute's official website www.aimsjodhpur.in. Next is a notice by the Union Public Service Commission. The written result of the Engineering Services Main Examination 2021 has been declared by the Commission, and the same is available on the Commission's website upsc.gov.in. It is informed that all the written qualified candidates are required to fill up and submit the detailed application form online from 27th of December 2021 to 7th of January 2022. For further details, written qualified candidates are requested to visit the Commission's website. IRCON International Limited is a premier Schedule A infrastructure public sector enterprise under the Ministry of Railways engaged in construction of turnkey infrastructure projects in railways, highways, buildings, power sectors, etc. The company has recorded a total turnover of approx. Rupees 4,950 crores in the year 2020-21. The company has successfully completed large value railway and highway projects over the years in India and abroad, including Malaysia, Bangladesh, Algeria, Iraq, Jordan, Saudi Arabia, Indonesia, Turkey, Nepal and Sri Lanka. The company invites applications for recruitment to one post of architect and one post of airport operation on contract basis for IRCON's office or projects at a fixed all-inclusive salary. For detailed advertisement, please visit the website www.ircon.org. The last date for submission of online applications is 10th of January 2022, and the last date for receipt of hard copy of online submitted application along with enclosures at the IRCON corporate office is 17th January 2022. Army Public School, Talbehat Cantonment and English Medium Co-Educational Middle CBSE School running under the aegis of the Army Welfare Education Society, New Delhi, invites applications for the post of principal. Interested candidates may apply on plain paper along with biodata, email ID, mobile number and postal address affixed with photograph mentioning the qualification, year, school, appointment-wise experience so as to reach the concerned office by 7th January 2022. Next is an addendum by the National Institute of Technology, Durgapur, an autonomous institution of the Government of India under the Ministry of Education. It is hereby informed that due to administrative reasons, the vacancies advertised by the National Institute of Technology, Durgapur, vide advertisement dated 9th December 2020, are being revised. The revised advertisement, along with other details, is available on the Institute's website, that is nitdgp.ac.in, under the tab Non-Teaching Staff Recruitment. The application submission window is hereby reopened from 22nd of December 2021 to 24th of January 2022. Candidates who have already applied against the above said advertisement need not apply again. However, they may apply for an update in the application or withdraw their application through a mail on recruitmenthelpdesk@nitdgp.ac.in. Last date for receipt of complete applications is 5 p.m. on the 24th of January 2022. The National Health Systems Resource Centre, New Delhi, Technical Support Institution with the National Health Mission, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, is seeking applications from eligible candidates for the following positions: one post of Lead Consultant, Healthcare Financing, and one post of Senior Consultant, Certification Cell, Quality Improvement Division. The terms of reference with details of required qualification and experience is available on the website www.nhsrcindia.org, www.mohfw.gov.in and www.devnetjobsindia.org. Applications must reach in the prescribed online application format only. Last date of receiving of applications is 10th of January 2022. Information about these vacancies has been published in the Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We'll meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You are listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email your opinion about this program at airnsttalks@gmail.com with employment news as subject.